Hey guys, we're back here at the Yellow House project. So we've had two yards to mow all summer long. We've had our house that we're living in, and then we've got the Yellow House. So our house at home, I've always maintained the yard really well. The house over here we're not living in, so it kind of gets neglected. As you can see back behind, that's where I took the fence out between the shed and the fence. So I really haven't done anything there. If the riding mower can't get to it, then I pretty much let it go all summer long. So it's way overdue. So we're gonna take and try to clean some of that up here today. So got the mustache going on. We've got a little town celebration here. It's called Cobblestone here in Fall City. It's always the end of August. We got a mustache contest, so I'm doing it. All the money goes to kids' charities. So I got the little bit of creepy mustache happening right now, but it's all for the kids. So guys, let's get this cleaned up. I'm talking about the weeds, not the mustache. It's staying for at least another week, whether Amanda likes it or not. So let's go take care of that weeds. Alright, so you can see definitely between the garage and the old garage and the house there, it's a little thin there, so I haven't been able to get the mower through, mostly because I was worried about all the rocks and stuff Grandma's got down there in the yard, and then that area back there I definitely can't get through. So like I said, we've been riding with the mower all summer long. I'm going to go ahead and use this Ego battery powered weed eater here. So yeah, it's a battery powered Ego weed eater there. 56 volt, we sell these out at the store. They're pretty good. I was pretty skeptical about batteries when we first started, and I'm like, really, battery powered equipment? But super easy to start. So you can see it's super easy to start there. It's better than trying to pull a string and try to get it going. So I'm going to show you what it'll do here in this area. But yeah, you can see Grandma had some rocks here. She had 5-gallon buckets buried for her plants. So there's all kinds of stuff in there that I was worried about bringing the lawnmower through. Our eave troughs are already all screwed up here, so we're gonna have to fix those obviously before we move in, or sooner than later anyway. But yeah, there's the old shed. There's where the fence was. You can see I took out the post right here, so I can actually push that post up and get the mower through, so I can get to that backyard to mow. But yeah, that's pretty bad. So we're going to take that down with that battery powered Ego weed eater. So check it out. So I'm going to go ahead and weed eat here, one-handed, just left-handed and right hand holding the camera. So you can see, taking care of it there, and then we're gonna go back here, like I say, to this big weed pile back here. So there it is before, guys. I'll take some after photos just because it's hard to weed eat with one hand. I didn't bring my camera mount or anything here, so watch. I ran out of string. Alright, so I got more string here. What I've got is I've actually got a string here that's the poly on the outside, the plastic, and it's got a little itty bitty wire on the inside of it there. So it's a little heavier duty string. Try to get through some of this stuff here. A little heavier duty conditions there. With the Ego, you've actually got just a line down here that says load and a line on the side. So You just line those two lines up, and then you feed the string through it. You put half of it through on each side, so I'll even it up here where I've got about half on each side of it here. And then actually you just take and you wind it. So you wind it this way. So I've got it down to where there's just about 8 inches of string on each side, and it's pretty much full in there. So I'll go ahead and start it up, and I'll cut that back off. There's actually a lot of trees, tall trees in here. You can see those trees are actually knocking the string off there, but this thing's cutting through it, so. Getting pretty warm. It may not be super pretty, but it's all down. Large chunks come back up, and I'll pick it up, and that Ego Weed Eater did a pretty good job for a little thin piece of string, taking down some pretty good trees that were in here. Thanks for watching.